Alam nyo, let's not over-politicize yung juvenile justice law. As you can see, it was co-authored and sponsored by both. Ang approach kasi is more of rehabilitation and not retribution. Ang hirap kasi, kalat na naman ng misinformation. Ang maling akala, walang parusa. Pero actually, meron. Ang goal lang naman is to separate the minors from the hardened adult criminals. Because studies show, lalo na kapag yung 10-year-old ang sinama mo sa parehong kulungan, aside from the trauma, lalaki yung batang repeat offender. And it aggravates the situation. Kumbaga, hindi mapuputol yung cycle of violence. Kaya please, ingat lang. Don't help spread false information. Kasi kawawa naman yung mga kaanak ng victims. Akala talaga nila walang parusang mangyayari. And to make it worse, yung dalawang shooters, akala rin nila wala silang liability because they're minors.